welcome back to another video. I'm gonna make this really quick. I'm going to show y'all 3 of my favorite aesthetic, cute titles that I like to write whenever I'm writing my notes. I'm one of those girls that pulls out all the cute pens and the markers and sparkles and everything of the rainbow, and I like to make my notes all cute. And so I thought that I'd share 3 of my favorites and most used with y'all. The pens that I really love to use are, first off, the Sharpie highlighters. I know, everyday Sharpies, those are actually my all-time favorite highlighters to use. I also have been introduced to the midliner highlighters. These highlighters have become another favorite. They actually have this awesome pointed tip on one end and like a normal highlighter tip on the other end, and they have like all the colors of the rainbow. And so these have been my go-to as well. My favorite markers to use are IKEA's markers. They have like this nice pointed tip, and they've been lasting me about a year now, and I love using them. The pigment is great, it's strong, it's bold. It does bleed through the paper a little bit whenever you're using normal notebook paper, but it's not that bad, and markers normally bleed through anyways, but I just wanted to give y'all a heads up. And lastly, my pen that I use is a Pilot pen. We love Pilot pens. They're dependable and they're great quality, and I use them all the time for everything. They're my go-to pen. Okay, I'm so excited. Let's get to this.
Yeah!
Voila, that is the first title. I go in and outline the outside of this, and then I come back up and I double outline it. And it doesn't have to be perfect. The imperfection is what makes it really cool. So I'm gonna kind of go out there. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Y'all watching these videos, the thumbs ups, the comments mean so much to me. I just want to give a shout out to all of y'all who commented on my last post of my daily makeup tutorial. Y'all's words and your affirmations and your blessings and encouragements mean so much. And every single time that I read a new one, I just lit up, and y'all made my day. Y'all made my morning. I loved waking up to some of those comments as well. So thank you so much for being just so sweet, and welcome to the family if you're a new subscriber. And also, if you want to see more videos like this, click that thumbs up button so that I know and that I can be on my A game with the videos and content that y'all like. I love y'all so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye, lovelies. Mwah!